Welcome to our new video on the topic of a comprehensive guide to trading. Trading can be a highly lucrative way to achieve financial freedom, but it can also be overwhelming and confusing, especially for beginners. That's why we've created this step-by-step guide to help you get started on your trading journey with confidence and clarity. Whether you're interested in stocks, forex, or cryptocurrencies, this guide will provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed. So, let's get started. Step 1. Understand the market. The first step to becoming a successful trader is to understand the market you want to trade in. This includes understanding the market's characteristics, risks, and opportunities. Researching the market will help you identify the best assets to trade, the best times to trade, and the factors that can affect the market's performance. Step 2. Develop a trading strategy. Once you understand the market, it's time to develop a trading strategy. There are many different trading strategies to choose from, including day trading, swing trading, and long-term investing. Your strategy should align with your goals, risk tolerance, and personality. A well-defined strategy will help you make informed decisions and increase your chances of success. Step 3. Educate yourself. Trading is a skill that requires education and practice to master. Take the time to educate yourself on the basics of trading, including technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and risk management. There are many online resources available, including trading courses, books, and forums. Learning from experienced traders can also provide valuable insights and strategies. Step 4. Practice with a demo account. Before you start trading with real money, it's important to practice with a demo account. A demo account allows you to trade with virtual money in a simulated trading environment. This will help you gain experience and confidence without risking your hard-earned money. It's important to practice your trading strategy and test different approaches until you find what works best for you. Step 5. Develop a trading plan. A trading plan is a set of rules and guidelines that you will follow when trading. It should include your trading strategy, risk management rules, and entry and exit points. A trading plan will help you stay disciplined and focused on your goals. It's important to review and update your trading plan regularly based on your performance and changing market conditions. Step 6. Start trading with real money. Once you've practiced with a demo account and developed a trading plan, it's time to start trading with real money. Start with a small amount of capital and slowly increase your position size as you gain experience and confidence. It's important to manage your risk and follow your trading plan to avoid making emotional or impulsive decisions. Step 7. Manage your emotions and stay disciplined. The final step is to manage your emotions and stay disciplined. Trading can be emotional, and it's important to avoid making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. Stick to your trading plan and avoid overtrading or taking unnecessary risks. Congratulations! You've completed our comprehensive guide to trading. Trading can be a rewarding and profitable journey, but it requires patience, discipline, and continuous learning. Remember to understand the market, develop a trading strategy, educate yourself, practice with a demo account, and develop a trading plan before trading with real money. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to becoming a successful trader and achieving financial freedom.